Hey guys, this is Trevor from Patrick Adair Supplies. We are going to be going over our January sub box today, and let's just hop right into it. Alright guys, let's take a look inside our box for this month. So to start off, we have our offset black ceramic ring blank. Ceramic's always a nice, easy material to work with. We have our cubic zirconia. And this month we actually have 3 freebies for you. We have our Astrodust Rose Pink Pigment, a carbon fiber ring blank, and our blush opal. Okay, so to start off our black ice ring, I'm just trying to get some of our medium CA adhesive all throughout the inlay channel. I'm trying not to get it so that the glue is dripping with CA, because if it is dripping, it'll make placing the cubic zirconia that much harder. Once I get that inlay channel saturated to my liking, I will start carefully pouring our cubic zirconia into that inlay channel. I would highly recommend putting something underneath just so you can catch any of those little cubic zirconia crystals that may fall out, so you can save them and use them for a later date. They are easy to lose if you're not keeping track of them. After I get them in the channel, I'm just trying to get them as far below the lip of that ceramic blank as I can. You'll most likely have some poking out a bit, but it's not the end of the world. Since it is cubic zirconia and not diamonds, it is possible to sand these guys down. It'll just take a little extra time. Alright, so once I am satisfied with the placement of the cubic zirconia, I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of accelerator to get it all set up. I'm going to let the lathe spin a little bit here just to try and disperse any of that leftover accelerant residue, so that when we start adding our CA in the next step, it doesn't instantly start setting up. Alright, so after a few minutes, we're ready to apply our super thin CA to fill any cracks or crevices that are left over from the placement of that cubic zirconia. And once that's set up, I am just going to skip our rotary tool and go straight into sanding. So to start off sanding, I'm going to use our 180 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to sand until I can feel and see that the cubic zirconia is flush with the rest of the ring. Again, it may take a little bit of extra time than you're used to just because of how hard that cubic zirconia is. After I get that flush, I'm just going to dry it off to get any extra water out and add one more layer of our super thin CA to fill in any extra cracks or crevices that may have been formed as we were sanding that flush. And then this time, I'm just going to go through our 220 sandpaper, our 500, our 1000, and our 1200 grit. And I'm also going to, at the end, hit it with some of our Astrotech polish, just to try and make it really shine. After we get that all polished up, we are left with our beautiful black ice band. I really like how the cubic zirconia catches the light at every angle. Alright guys, this is our finished ring. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's a really simple but a really elegant ring. The cubic zirconia really stand out on this black band, but
I think you guys should have a really fun time making it, so be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.